Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: an active SIM, service with your carrier, and airplane mode turned off. Once done, unlock your phone and open settings. Tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. You do this because those menus control carrier connectivity and data routing. Make sure you're looking at the right SIM slot if you have dual SIMs. From here, you'll enable mobile data, view preferred network type, and access APN settings, the first controls that let cellular data actually work. Next, you enable mobile data and choose a preferred network type like 4G or 5G, because speed and compatibility depend on that setting. You should then open access point names to verify your carrier's APN. Incorrect APNs prevent data and MMS. If there's no matching APN, add one exactly as your carrier provides. Make a habit of leaving data roaming off unless traveling. Roaming can be billed differently. Also enable VoLTE LTE if your carrier supports voice over LTE for better call quality. To finish, restart your phone so new settings fully apply. This often restores the data connection. Once the system boots, check for the signal bars and the data icon, 4G/5G or LTE. If you still have no connectivity, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options, right arrow Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Use that only as a last step because it clears saved networks. If issues persist, power off, reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, and call your carrier. That single troubleshooting action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.